In a whirlwind turn of events that's sending shockwaves across the fanbase of 1000 LB Sisters, Tammy Slaton's former partner has dramatically re-entered the public spotlight, and it's nothing short of chaos. From cryptic social media posts to outrageous live streams, and claims that leave both fans and critics speechless, this unexpected return is threatening to reopen old wounds and bring new turmoil into Tammy Slaton's already complex life. While fans of the show were beginning to see glimmers of stability in Tammy's journey following the tragic passing of her husband Caleb Willingham, this latest development has once again put her in the center of a storm she didn't ask for. The ex in question, whom many believe to be Philip Redmond, also known as the BBW King, has taken to social media platforms to reignite his connection to Tammy, stirring drama, speculation, and a flood of concern for the reality star's emotional well-being. Tammy Slaton, known for her fiery personality, vulnerability, and transformation journey, has always worn her heart on her sleeve. Her relationships, especially those broadcast on 1000 LB Sisters, have frequently sparked headlines and public commentary. But none have matched the level of controversy that her brief entanglement with Philip caused. Their romance was as dramatic as it was short-lived. Viewers remember the red flags. From Philip's disturbing public remarks about his preferences to his now infamous moniker, BBW King, many fans and F.N. Tammy's own family voiced concern over the relationship's direction. His obsession with larger women, particularly those weighing over 300 pounds, led many to question whether his interest in Tammy was rooted in genuine affection or fetishism. Tammy, often vulnerable in her desire for love and acceptance, appeared enchanted by the attention, even as the red flags piled up. But the romance eventually fizzled out, and Philip quietly excited Tammy's life, or so it seemed. Fast forward to 2025, and the calm after the storm has shattered. Philip has re-emerged on TikTok, Instagram Live, and YouTube with a vengeance, making bold claims and painting a picture that has left even the most skeptical fans stunned. In his recent videos, he has not only claimed that Tammy still loves him but has also hinted that she's reached out to him in private. These claims, unverified and likely exaggerated, have sparked a social media firestorm. Fans are divided. Some believe Philip is simply cloud chasing, capitalizing on Tammy's name to garner attention. Others, more concerned, fear that he could be reintroducing instability into Tammy's life during a delicate period of recovery. Not long after her husband Caleb passed away in 2023, Tammy began focusing more deeply on her health. Her weight loss journey became more visible and her emotional healing seemed on track. She even began participating in public events with her sister Amy, showing signs of renewed confidence. The last thing anyone expected was a blast from the past dragging her back into toxic territory. Philip's resurgence is not just marked by bold romantic claims. He's also been caught throwing shade at Tammy's supporters and family. In one particularly explosive live stream, he criticized Amy Slaton and accused the entire Slaton family of brainwashing Tammy against him. "They never wanted me around," he claimed. "They were jealous of our connection. They couldn't stand to see Tammy happy." These statements are directly contradicted by episodes of 1000 LB Sisters, where both Amy and other family members expressed nothing but concern for Tammy's well-being. At no point did their interactions suggest jealousy, only worry, especially when Philip's behavior raised red flags. As if that wasn't enough, Philip has also threatened to release private messages and photos allegedly sent by Tammy during their relationship. While there's no confirmation of the authenticity of these materials, his threats have sparked outrage and concern about potential privacy violations and emotional harm. Viewers and commentators alike are urging Tammy to take legal steps if necessary to protect her personal information and peace of mind. Tammy herself has remained relatively quiet amid the chaos. Her recent social media activity has been focused on her health, family, and occasional behind-the-scenes glimpses of her life. But the pressure is mounting. Fans are flooding her comments with questions. Is it true? Have you talked to Philip? Please don't go back to him. The silence is deafening, and while some interpret it as strength, Tammy refusing to engage in drama, others fear it may signal emotional distress. Sources close to the production of 1000 LB Sisters have reportedly expressed concern about the potential impact of Philip's return on Tammy's mental health. One insider shared, "Tammy has worked so hard to grow. Seeing someone from her past show up like this, trying to drag her back, it's worrying. She doesn't deserve that kind of negativity right now." Meanwhile, the online community continues to dissect Philip's every post. His erratic behavior and contradictory statements have led many to question his motivations and even his mental state. At one moment, he's professing his undying love for Tammy. The next, he's mocking her progress and accusing her of betrayal. In several videos, Philip can be seen speaking rapidly, ranting about conspiracy theories involving the show's producers and suggesting that he was edited out unfairly to protect Tammy's image. He's even hinted at creating his own tell-all documentary to set the record straight. Critics call it a desperate move by a man craving relevance. Supporters, however few, argue that he has the right to speak his truth. But amid the shouting matches and viral videos, the person caught in the crossfire is Tammy, a woman who has already endured more than her share of public scrutiny. What makes this drama particularly dangerous is its timing. Tammy's public narrative had been shifting. For the first time in years, she wasn't just the overweight sister or the angry reality star. She was becoming a symbol of survival and transformation. Fans were beginning to root for her not out of pity, but admiration. Her social media began reflecting confidence, joy, and an effort to move forward. The reappearance of an ex-partner known for exploiting her vulnerabilities threatens to undo much of that progress. It's a painful reminder of how deeply reality TV stars can be affected by people from their past returning for the wrong reasons. Tammy's fans are rallying to her side, trending hashtags like #ProtectTammy and #StayStrongSlayton. Even former co-stars and fellow TLC personalities have chimed in. One anonymous reality TV veteran said, "What Philip is doing is reckless. It's a textbook case of someone who didn't get the attention he wanted before and is now trying to hijack someone else's success." Tammy deserves peace. As the noise grows louder, the Slayton sisters appear to be sticking together. Amy has reportedly blocked Philip on social media and has been publicly supporting her sister with subtle messages of encouragement. In a recent TikTok, she simply said, "We got each other. Always." The message wasn't directly addressed to anyone, but fans quickly interpreted it as a subtle nod to the drama unfolding. Behind the social media spectacle lies a very real emotional toll. Relationships that begin with manipulation often leave scars that take years to heal. For Tammy, who has only recently begun reclaiming her self-worth, the sudden reemergence of a toxic figure is more than just gossip fodder, it's a potential setback in her ongoing recovery. Mental health professionals watching the situation unfold have warned against underestimating the psychological damage such public harassment can inflict. They stress the importance of boundaries, support systems, and, most crucially, avoiding re-engagement with harmful figures from the past. Whether or not Tammy chooses to publicly respond remains to be seen. But her silence may very well be her loudest message, a refusal to allow someone else to hijack her story again. As the saga continues, one thing is clear, Tammy Slayton has endured more than most people can imagine. She's battled obesity, addiction, family tensions, loss, and heartbreak, all under the relentless glare of reality television. And yet, she continues to stand. The return of an ex-partner peddling chaos may be unsettling, but it also highlights just how far Tammy has come. Because while he's shouting into the void, Tammy's silence echoes with strength. In a world that once doubted her, she's learning to choose herself. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.